Hello my people, in this video we will see how to withdraw Lazada Wallet not verified. The first pass is open the app. And remember, stuck with money in your Lazada Wallet but your account isn't verified, here's what you need to know about getting that balance out. First, the hard truth. For security reasons, you cannot directly withdraw cash to a bank or Gcash unless you submit an ID verification. But don't worry, you can still use that money. The best way is to use it for mobile load, pay your utility bills, or buy digital vouchers. Click in Lazada Pay. And next is login. You can also use to balance to pay for your next order. It's the easiest way to withdraw the value without needing an ID. If you really need the physical cash, your only option is to click verified, upload a valid ID, and wait for approval. It usually takes 24 hours. For example, click in vouchers. And in this pass, you log in or sync up in the app. That's everything, everyone. That's all for this video. If you liked the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.